Do you want to know that how to get verified on Facebook? Well, then you are into the right video, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any kind of mistakes. So first of all, you need to open up the Facebook here, and after opening up the Facebook here, what you will do here basically that you will tap on your profile image in the top right here, and if you scroll down you will tap on help and support and then tap on help center. So what is basically a blue badge? So a blue badge is a check mark next to your name on Facebook that identifies that your account is verified with Facebook, that your account is an official account. Okay, so then in the search bar you will actually search for blue badge. You will write this and then you will tap on blue badge verification, and then you will tap on request a verified badge on Facebook like this. And now if you scroll down here, you will see this option, fill out this form. So you will tap on fill out this form here, and just like on Instagram in the previous video, you need to actually fill out this form. Okay, so the step one is basically it is asking that if you are like verifying your personal account or your page, so you can select whatever you are verifying. So I will select my profile here, and now you have to confirm the authenticity, which means that you are a real person that is trying to actually verifying your account or page with Facebook. Okay, so you have to actually you can upload your driving license, your passport, your national identity card, tax filing request, a recent utility bill, and articles of incorporation. Okay, so you can actually upload one of these documents here, and then you need to actually tell confirm your notability with Facebook. Okay, so just like on Instagram, in order to get verified on Facebook, you need to have a public figure or a celebrity. Okay, and then you can actually add your other social media account links here, and then you can just tap on the send option, and then Facebook team will review your information, and if they think that you are a real person or you are a public figure, then they will actually give you a badge, a blue badge next to your name. So that's it for this video. You can show us your support by liking this video and subscribing to your channel, and if you have any kind of question regarding this video today, you can ask from us in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have a fantastic day.